Today I'm excited to showcase Alberta AI Assistant. This is our Telegram bot designed to keep servers secure by scanning for vulnerabilities and providing AI-driven security recommendations. This project is a participant in SUI Agent Typhoon Hackathon, leveraging blockchain and AI to enhance server security. Alberta uses the ElizaOS framework integrating with Atoma LLM models and SUI wallet transactions to offer a fully automated security assistant. Alberta designed it for scanning the ports and detect vulnerabilities using the specific tooling, provide AI-generated security reports, manage SUI and USDC transactions, also offering interactive Telegram conversations with a human-like touch. Here we can see the basic user diagram on how we think the user flow should be looks like. So in general, there are three actors: user, the bot, and Atoma LLM. And in general, user sending the specific IP or host scanning request to the bot, and then bot interacting with Atoma, making the summary report as well. It's trying to check the balances between the wallet balances Atoma and its own balance. In case if Atoma doesn't have enough USDC on account, it's triggering the sending the USDC from its own wallet to Atoma. This will showcase the integration with the SUI blockchain. So now I will switch to the demo. On the right hand side, you can see the homepage of Alberta bot in the Telegram. On the left side, this is the server where we'll be starting the bot. I'm starting the bot in the debug mode to ensure that we will see all the details on how the Alberta works and some insights on which transactions happened during the interactions. So now it's started. It's starting. It should start in the moment, and we can prepare to the interactions with it. The setup is checking the accounts. The first thing is that Alberta will check the balances of the SUI wallets, the SUI wallets from Atoma, and its own SUI wallets to ensure that we can send some tokens there. So you see in the logs these two accounts being checked, and we'll see here that bot starting successfully. So let's start to interact. Yeah, so as I mentioned before, Alberta trying to check the particular accounts and see what the amount of the USDC available there. In case if it's zero, like it is now, it's sending the transaction and sending $2 to Atoma, ensuring that LLM service will be available for us to check, to summarize the results. So now let's say Alberta, please check the specific host and specific IP. All right, so it's again double checking the account if there are some money there. And I guess now the scanning will be started. So in this time, I will switch to the diagram because the scanning can take up to 2 minutes. Yeah, so we see first message that the scanning is started, and we should wait for the results. Yeah, meanwhile, I will show you the interaction diagram So what we did so far, we send the request to the bot. Bot sends chat history and some details to the Atoma LLM. In our case, it will be DeepSeek LLM. Then bot checked the accounts. It checked its own account and checked the Atoma account. Then it sent $2 to Atoma account to ensure that we can interact with LLM and LLM service will be available for us. Now we are in the phase when Alberta executing scanning feature. After it will be executed, Atoma will receive the detailed message from the scan report, and we should expect summary of this report available in our Telegram. Switching back, we can see it's still syncing. Meanwhile, we also can check the transaction which were happening quite fast. So for the SUI wallet transaction, we're using SUI CLI. It's quite fast and reliable. Yeah, we can see how many logs here. We also can check in the SUI scanner if these transactions happened. Yeah, so we'll see this is the block. It was 3 minutes back, and transactions of $2 appears here. It was successfully executed, and our Atoma account should have the $2 inside. Yeah, so it has like $2 account. It should be enough to interact with LLM. Let's switch back and expect some messages. Yeah, so here we can see the scan already executed. There are a lot of information, and now we're expecting Atoma, in particular DeepSeek, to summarize the report. Yeah, and what we can see here, the report for the scanning this particular IP address. From there it is what was the operational system, what was the uptime, what are the ports, what are the issues, and basically our recommendations. And also there is some summary statistic on how much time it took to produce the report. Yeah, so in general, these particular scanning reports show demonstrating that our server pretty much secure. And that's it for this demo. Thank you for watching.